WHS TV caught up with Mrs. Campbell to discuss her thoughts regarding the new office. How do you like the new office compared to the old one?
No comparison. We love the new office.
What are some benefits with the new office compared to the old office?
It's a lot lighter and brighter and bigger, and it has new office smell.
What do you wish could be different with the new office?
It's big, so it's far to talk when we have to talk about things.
How does the new security system work, step by step?
They come in the front door. And we see what they're doing. If they need to go into the school, we have to buzz them in.
What's your favorite part about the new office?
I like everything about it. I love the door handles.
We would like to thank Mrs. Campbell for showing us the new office. This has been Alyssa from WHS TV signing off.
So basically our deadline got pushed up 2 months.
Can someone buzz me out?